Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites with action. Know your skills, resources, and who you can ask. Once you have that inventory, schedule a focused 2-week window with 1 2-hour daily blocks for market listening. Make a 3-question intake to use in conversations. Ask about frustrations, frequency, and cost. Start today. Reach out to 10 people in your circle and record answers. Doing this immediately gives you raw data to analyze rather than guesses later. Once you have initial responses, continue by digging deeper. Run 10-30 interviews that probe frequency, impact, and existing workarounds. Make sure to map root causes using 5 whys or a quick fishbone for each recurring issue. This reveals solvable pain rather than symptoms. Simultaneously, ask about willingness to pay and urgency to prioritize. As you iterate, synthesize patterns into 3-5 candidate problem statements and rank them by size, solvability, and fit to your. You finish by choosing one high-scoring problem and moving to rapid validation. Build a minimal prototype or a landing page that communicates the solution and run a small paid test or pre-sale. Measure metrics like click-through, sign-ups, and conversion to see if demand exists. If results are weak, troubleshoot. Return to your root cause maps, refine the target audience, or alter the value proposition. Make sure to iterate quickly, rather than doubling down on unclear evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.